The public limited company. There you have an overview of a public limited company. The company has its own legal identity. The public limited company can offer shares for sale to the general public, and they can be bought and sold on the stock market. The shares are to raise money. This is issued if the company wants or needs to increase its capital stock in order to be able to expand or to finance the necessary investments. The raising of capital. The nominal capital of a public limited company must be at least 70,000 euros, which is split into shares. The minimum par value of one share is 1 euro. The more number of shares a person buys, the higher the percentage of ownership gets. The rights of a shareholder. The shareholder has a voting right at the annual general meeting and the right to be informed about the legal, financial and business activities. He also has the right to receive a dividend, the right to subscribe to new shares if the company issues new shares to increase the capital stock, and he has also the right to receive liquidation proceeds if the company decides a voluntary dissolution. Organization and management. The annual meeting of shareholders includes selecting the supervisory board. It is held at least once a year, and every share has a vote. The supervisory board. This controls the company. It is out of 3 to 20 members. 1/3 of them must be employees, and it safeguards the shareholders' interests. And at last, the board of managers is responsible for the management of the business. They're responsible for the annual statement, and they also call the annual meeting. The taxation of a public limited company. There you have 25 corporation tax on a profit and 27.5% capital gains tax at distributed dividends. The advantages and disadvantages. Some advantages are the limited liability to shareholders, the maximum taxation, or the continuity of existence. Some disadvantages might be the shareholders and the management do not have the same interests, the high cost of formation, and some examples for public limited companies in Austria are the Österreichische Post AG, Siemens AG Österreich, or Brauunion Österreich AG. Thank you for listening. You can now subscribe our channel or leave a comment.